All right, I'm back. So what I want to do is just log cure to-do list. Because what I think is happening is after I'm changing something here, it's going undefined here. Prints that complete. So just a list of to-dos. Okay. So that's not right. So reducer's wrong. I was pretty sure this was right. List. Const new state console.log. See what we're returning from that. Okay, so this is a new state. It's a list. A list of lists. Either way, it's not right. So everything looks right except for the first one. The first one, it's returning a list. Oh, I know what I'm doing wrong, guys. To do current list. No, sorry, to-do list. So to-do list, you expand, except we're now changing the to-dos. And let's not spread that because that's actually wasteful. So we're returning a new object. The to-do list, it's going to keep its same name, but now the to-dos are going to be the to-do list dot to-dos, spreading that. Okay. Same thing's going to go here. Name, to-do list. That's going to be to-dos. Okay, so to-dos is equal to to-dos, and we're filtering. Okay, again, one last time. Name. Okay, we'll just copy that. Copy that. Except now, instead of doing this, we're doing this. Okay, so the problem was my reducer. I was thinking we were just returning a list still, which we're not. Unexpected token on line 3. Oh, need to wrap these in parentheses because we're returning an object. Okay, that one didn't work. It added please to the bottom. I don't know why newest didn't work. Okay, so it breaks after the second one. Not sure why. Let's first make this more modular for our epic. So that way we can clear some of the to-dos because they're getting really long. So redux-observable of type multiple actions. Fetch user. Okay. There's got to be an example where they need to listen for multiple actions. Let's see if they have examples. They do. Single one, single. Actually, maybe we just need to look up of type. I wonder if there's a different one that's similar. Of type redux-observable. Can we do it like this maybe? Undefined is not an object t to id. Oh, because we're adding the to do. Whoops. We now need to get this replace working. So we don't have infinite recursion. Just make the type Bob for now. Let's console you. Console.log type. It looks like listening for multiple epics is working now too. Delete to do need list underscore id. So JavaScript replace string. So we're doing something wrong. I guess I could do global underscore need list ID. Nope. Do I need to escape these maybe? Looks like that was it. No. For whatever reason, I just want to try. Needs. Just one word. I was putting an extra S. I'm just dumb. There we go. Let's give it a try. Yes, bye bye. Okay. Okay. So it looks like our create's not working. Well, it's working. Oh, that one didn't even work. Are we? It's because we on something else? Nope. Okay, it's working now. Doesn't work now. Network request failed. So does that mean we have a problem somewhere else? I think our epic is working fine. Maybe with our to-do form. Mutation create ID. Create to-do. Okay, so we're logging when we create a to-do. So let's see if that is happening. So ABC. That's null. Why is it returning null? I mean, it worked, but why is that returning null? Call that data. Data create to do is just null. Why is this mutation null? That's really weird. Funny enough, the mutation works, and works fine the first time. And it's associating it to this list. Okay. But I mean, we don't want a response, so that's fine. In fact, I could just get rid of that. Because we don't need it. I don't know why it's returning nothing. It should at least return the ID. But now when I build this AWS, it breaks. Okay, so something weird is going on. So let's just dump everything, and let's see if the values are just like getting messed up. That's the only thing I can think of that it works the first time but not the second. So sometimes the values for whatever reason are changing. Okay. We have some, we're cluttering the output here. New state is fine now. Am I printing anything in the view? Okay. That looks good. There we go. List ID is undefined. So that means the list ID that we pass in. That means this is getting re-rendered. So this list ID is undefined at some point. So actually, yes, we need to console.log cur to-do list. Because we're passing in a undefined from this object, when this object should ever be undefined. Okay, so you're looking good. Kill one of your guys, still looking good. Kill another, kill another. Okay. So I'm not seeing. Okay, so notice how there's an ID here. Then the ID disappears. And that's because we're being bad. To do form, you're just fine. It's our reducer. Current list, to-do list. So the reason I'm not doing a spread is because I didn't want to copy too many to-dos twice, because we're setting them new here. Okay. All that stuff's working. Let's create one here. Pop over to my second. Let's go to yellow. Create one here. Create a couple here. Pop back to one. Pop back to yellow. Go to L3 for why not. Yo. Okay. So our update function is not working, but everything else seems good. So let's go check out that. So to-do list dot to-dos. We just forgot to map that. Okay. Okay, so our reducer's still not working. Update to-do, passing in the new to-do. So when the ID is equal, we get the to do. Otherwise, we pass t back. Update passes. Yep, update passes just the to do. I'm thinking it's our reducer that's not working. I guess let's double check everything. Yep. We're calling the reducer. So it's actually just not updating the state. Darn it. It looks very similar to how other reducers are working. So why are you being different? Update to-dos, to-dos list, to-dos.map. We're going over every to-do. When the to-dos IDs match up, I guess let's console.log the state. ID is 38. So let's see if we're getting the right ID, I guess. See if we're getting the right list ID and the right to do. We're not getting the right to do. Null text. Actually, we can leave that there for now. Okay, looks like it's a server problem because we're just passing just straight bad data back. We're doing patch. That should be fine. So let's console.log the to do here to see if this is really a bad to do. And let's see what the text is, I guess. So let's restart. Connect. Bam. And that's a whole lot of output. So let that start up. Probably is about started. Okay, so update. That looks good. Then it's giving us multiple to-dos. Could that be the problem? No. The to-do looks good. Let's look at what the to-do is from the subscript sub. I'm guessing everything looks good on the server. I'm guessing it's this object it doesn't like. I should be grabbing this value. Even though it's just a to-do. Okay, let's see what that gives us. This is kind of interesting. Because I assume this is what we give right back to the client. Okay, click, null. Let's look at the log. Let's look at the bottom. Now that's weird. The to-do is really ugly here. It's this instance of data values. So when it's created, I'm curious. Let's keep this open. Did I already close? I already closed it. Actually, no. I want to see what it's like from the create point of view. So we're looking at when we update. We know our create's working. What should it actually look like? Create to do. Okay, and what does it get down here? Let's look at the log one more time. Oh, we already killed it. That's fine. I think it was to do that instance. Let's not worry about it. That's not going to matter too much. So let's start up the server. Let that give it a second. Look at the log. So this is what our updated is about created. Oh, I'm dumb. I need to actually create an object too. Okay, so it looks about the same when we create. Okay, it looks the same. What the heck? It has this instance data values. That's for created. That's on sub. What about updated? I definitely updated. Did I log that? Come on. Yeah, didn't log it. Create looks fine though. The data values look good. The only difference is it expanded that one object. It expanded data values. Okay, this is an array. Actually, okay, that's the difference. This is an array, that one was an array. Why is this an array? Patch. Why is patch returning an array? To-dos.patch. Okay, whatever. To-dos. Pass the first one in. That is really weird. All of a sudden, the update is now an array, or patch returns an array. Looks fine. What's the problem? Oh, huh. Alright, it works just fine now. Alright, I think that's where I'm going to stop streaming for now. We got lists implemented. I'm not sure what I'm going to do the next video. We're getting close to wrapping up the to-do list, I think. We have a lot of the functionality that I wanted to add. Maybe like some smoother UI for these two components. And also I want to, like, when I switch lists, close this drawer. And also possibly some other small things. So you have that to look forward to the next video. I'll commit these changes in a minute. So yeah, done streaming. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.